Hi guys, Captain Nick here again with MarineMax over in St. Petersburg. Behind me today, got an all-new Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. All-new quantum blue hull side color, ivory interior. I'm gonna call this one the Summertime Sky. Let's hop on board. Got a Mercury V8 250 horsepower engine, only the latest and greatest for Sea Ray owners. Take a look down by my feet here. We do have sea deck on a swim platform back here. Yeah, now if you saw me sitting in a rearward facing seat. I've called this boat a transformer before because you can just do so much with it. This whole seat actually slides forward and back. Got the upgraded white arch here. Give you a good amount of shade here, even more than a bimini, which is actually a little known fact. Here we are showing transformer-like features again. Like so. I'm a little bit on the shorter side. Put this bolster up right there. Able to have good vision when you're out on the water. Brings me to the next point. Heavy 9-inch Simrad, fully digital dash. Do everything that you need to do, whether it's navigating, depth finding, fish finding, you name it. If any of you viewers sitting at home are a fan of the SDX series, whether it's the 270 or the 290, you're gonna notice something a little bit different here. You're gonna have a side walk around instead of a center walk through. What do you gain by that? You go down here, have a great big storage compartment and head, which is gonna be larger than even on a 290. Up here on the bow, expansive seating, of course, when you're hanging out with the family at the sandbar. That's what it's all about. As I always say, what's the point of moving to Florida in the first place if you don't have a boat? I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax over in St. Pete, and I would love nothing more than to get you and your family out on the water this boating season. Bye, guys.